Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter. Starting with this disclaimer that all um, signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for demonstration and educational purposes only. Everyone should understand that participating in trading in the markets involves substantial risk, and it should be understood that a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now, part of trading is finding the most opportune entries on a stock. Getting those low risk, potentially high reward entries on the positions you're interested in. Now, right now, I'm extremely interested in the chips. I believe that they're sort of a subsector of tech, and they're very powerful. But let's say that you're just looking for an opportune entry on a stock. And we've made such enormous breakthroughs on our trade scanner that I really wanted to just quickly show it to you. Now, right now, these are all the stocks. I believe we're scanning the Nasdaq 100. Out of the Nasdaq 100, these are all stocks that are aligned perfectly to provide us with a perfect entry to the upside based on our indicator analysis. Now, our indicator suite is quite different from anything that you've ever seen. So since Adobe was first, that's the stock I chose. You can see it's green. You see it's up here. So that means that it's firing a long signal. So now let's take a look at Adobe. Now this is Adobe. It's on a 1 hour. And that's what I have this scanner set for. 1 hour. You can set the scanner for any time frame that you like. And you can see that Adobe is configured perfectly for a long. And here's the scanner firing on your chart, telling you here's the optimal entry. You get another potential crack at it, and here, and here. And this is really towards the end of day. Now, what we also have achieved is the ability to send these signals to your to text message you these signals. So let's say you get up, you need to get a glass of water, you need a bottle of water, you need to do something in the course of the day, and you still want to stay in touch because you're looking for a swing trade, say on a 15-minute candle, 30-minute candle, even a 4-hour or daily candle. A signal hits. Well, if you're using the Thinkorswim platform, you can take the trade right off your phone app, and you're going to get the exact entry texted to you right off the scanner. And I'm going to show you an example of that. Now, these are the examples. Obviously, this is this is a different scan query. It's not the one off of Adobe only. We just did it as an example to demonstrate. And this is what you're going to get right on your phone. It's going to say alert, new symbol. It's going to give you the symbol, and the stocks are constantly being scanned. If you have a 5-minute bar, you have potential to get new signals every 5 minutes. 1 minute bar, the potential to get new signals every minute. So you're never going to miss a really opportune entry again. It even has more applicability than this. Now, let's say every day you're going to create your own watch list, which is going to include the list of stocks that are mentioned most commonly on the Reddit message boards. So you're going to have those Wall Street bets, Reddit, those 10 stocks in your scanner. Now they can explode at any time. You take your eyes off the screen. Now you're going to have a dashboard where all these signals are going to occur, which I showed you previously. But again, this is AMC on a 1 minute. The scanner fires. It texts you an entry. It's right here. It's the perfect setup. The gears heading up. Multi-time frame alignment and trend is up. 50's up. You're above the VWAP. You're above our 15 EMA of an EMA. We've got tremendous volatility as evidenced by the trend. We're low enough below resistance to take the trade. Ultimately, the trade breaks resistance, moves all the way up. Here's the exit. It's 187% on an at-the-money call, and this is texted to you. You have an early entry right here, and then you have the entry here right before this big candle. So you have an opportunity to get in twice before AMC explodes to the upside. So it's another way of leveraging this. If you're sitting by your computer and you're watching maybe 15 or 20 stocks and you just happen to miss one of them coming up on the dashboard, that text message is going to hit that ding on your phone. You'll be able to take a look and have plenty of time to get in. So here's the central command post. This is where the signals are generated, sent out via text, or you can read. This is the control panel, and this is where you're going to see every single signal flash. As soon as the stock hits, you know it's generating an entry, and you know that entry is terrific. So this is just a great way of trading, optimizing your entries, making sure you don't miss a terrific trade. You can have the scanner create a watch list for you, or create a watch list on your own, and let the scanner tell you when those watch list stocks, that list of watch list stocks that you've created, have an optimal entry. So have a wonderful weekend. We had a really stellar week, despite the chop and the low volume, low volatility environment. We're coming up to a cautious week next week, going into Labor Day, and I'm telling you, if you're going to focus on a subsector, the chips are where it's at. My 4 big picks that I'm very interested in are Qualcomm, Advanced Micro Devices, Taiwan Semiconductor, and NVIDIA. All chips. I think that supply chain problems and demand are going to send the price of these chips skyrocketing, and we're going to see a real rise in price on all 4 of those stocks. Have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to talking with you on Monday. Don't ever miss an entry again. Take care, and again, I will speak to you on Monday.